If your wallet looks like a ramen packet, you're a broke student. Time to flip that script. Here's how. First, sell what you know. Tutoring online or micro lessons online. Set 1-hour blocks and charge per session. Pick gigs that fit your class schedule. Second, delivery gigs like food or grocery drop-offs. Micro tasks on apps, small jobs you finish fast. Weekend freelancing, design, writing, or tutoring gigs. Third, make a simple digital product to sell. Sell study notes bundles to classmates or online. Use affiliate links in college-focused content for passive income. Start small. Book 1 tutor slot this week. Start small. Complete 1 gig and get paid. Start small. Launch 1 product listing this week. Track time and cash for 2 weeks. Then double down on the tactics that work. Want a quick checklist to get started? Hit the link and I'll send it.